Hi all, how are you? I am doing great. Today my daddy will tell you how to install Power BI desktop version.
Hi all. So Power BI, as you know, Power BI is a reporting tool from Microsoft. In this quick tutorial, we'll see how to download Power BI desktop version. So basically, there are two ways in which we can download the Power BI desktop version. So let's check out those two ways of downloading. Okay. So the first version is just go to Google and type Power BI download and just click on this download Microsoft Power BI. Just click on it and you'll see this particular window, and just scroll down a bit, and there is an option to download. If you click it, it will download it. However, based on your system may be having different configuration like 32-bit, 64-bit, and depending on the system, right? So just click on this advanced download options, and then if you scroll it down again, then you can select the your language and then click on download, right? And there are different you can see the details and system requirements, etc. So based on, if I click download, right, it will ask the files which you want to choose, and then choose those files and click on download, right? And there is one more way we can download the Power BI desktop version, that is go to Microsoft Store and click on that particular Microsoft Store. Now here you can search Power BI, so you can see Power BI desktop. So the one of the easy and useful way is this, because whenever there is an update to Power BI desktop, it automatically gets updated when you download it from Microsoft Store. Whereas if you go and download it from Google or from Power BI site, you have to manually update it, right? So I'm going to Microsoft Store and clicking on Power BI desktop. So it's a free of cost, and you can click on get this window. So once you scroll, you can see the description, stuff like this. Click on get it, and you can see install option. So it's downloading the Power BI desktop. It may take some time, so let me pause the video. Yeah, so it's almost downloaded now. So it's installing now. So we can click on launch. So it'll launch that window, the Power BI desktop version. It may take some time when you install it for the first time. I mean, when you open the desktop for the first time. So this is how it opens. It will ask for login, but as of now, we can just close this window. So this is a Power BI desktop, right? I'm just closing it for now, and this is how the window looks like, where you have options to connect to different data sources. Like you can click on get data. So these are the most frequently used, so they have kept it handy. And there are other options like Excel, Power BI datasets, and SQL Server, different sources. And there are not many sources which Power BI can connect and process the data. right?
That's
So,
true.
so there are many sources, right, which it can connect to. And there are three, so here the visualizations we have in Power BI, and this is the dataset view, and this is the modeling tab, right? So let's explore more in upcoming videos. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching my video and have a lovely day.
Thank you all. Bye bye.